If crash network, okay, then so guys, nindaba guys, andizokwazi ujoyinisa mntu andizokwazi uthini because this is a quick live andihlalanga ndiyaphuma. Guys, never date ibrother yetshumakho, never, noba sowuthanda. Enkosibheni noba sowuthanda noba sowustresswa yintoni ungazi. Don't, otherwise uzokhala. So man, I decided to date brother yethu. I'm thinking kanti ngimoshe ngokucinga. All I can say is sure. Yo, hello atlehang. So nje. Miskin samsba ngcono. And andifakanga ne-filter. Ndifuna ujonga xa ndifakeliwe ii-differences zabakala. You are awesome. I don't want any filter. Yes, guys. It's me against the world with no filter. I don't do them filters. So guys, as mensathu akujolwa no brother wa friend yakho. Otherwise uzosola. And another thing, guys, but if not in plug. Oh, Tabakolo, Nanchitelo, I know I plug on me. But if not in plug, it isn't fast. So many numbers, no. Fast. So bon appetit. Quite like in a low. Fast people, fast. Why is sitting? I won't pull a laugh. Fast. Because what do you mean? So tiny in numbers. I blame you. Fast. Nelibazisa. And if you put on, no. Where do you live? East London. So Mrs. Usiya ngokukhwaba ne kitchen. Asindotyeba nami umuntu masima kancinci uzotyeba. Batata. But ke guys. Sawubona Dikela. Miss Fletch. Ako filter. You? Choba smash. Salalaza. Hayi chuma cause big up. There is no filter in here. Don't come for my lace. Lace Nance. Anibon guys. Oyibonayo guys. Anibon. Sonje sharp anayon. Aso yam enye pha. Aso yam le. Hayi yam. Yabuza. Kuphela energy pha. Hayi sesa. Nini? Basketball. Yo guys, kamene lace. Hayibona yandikamile wazaba sharp. Oh man iqinile lento. Oh guys, ke ni record lento sana ni post. Mna ndize ni post guys, mina ngizonishaya ngiyathumisana ngezulu. Ayisande qala. Iple basho detention. Ngapha. So beautiful. Thank you, Benny. So really buha. Kelisi zethu. Thicho mlikujoyine bas record so you too. Trumpeter yakho tana. Eyami. Hi.
I can't accept if ilantika chomi.
Andizokwazi uaccepta
Kuyafundwa.
Kuzothini kungafundwa? Ilantika. Pawu kuyafunda. Ewabangwalo. Hayi. Ngiyabangwalo.
Ngiyabangwalo masiba kuyafunda sichaza.
Uthi sichaza. Uyamazi bangubani uthi sichaza. Debuzi bangubani lo debuzi uyamazi bangubani lo. Ubani lo?
Ku-aunt.
Ubani u-aunt?
Nansi ibhalele ba.
Yamazi bangubani lo? Wasiyabakala.
Right. Jonga lo belibreak ngale 2 million cima ndimuncu. Like short is so dull.
Oh, lo space isihlangu zabo esihlangu phaqo. We. Ngophaqa bangafani apha. Amehlo ilace ningithatha
Ifihleki chomi. Because andina lace tint. Plus andina foundation.
So bendingazonga installing nge-frontal yam endazithengelayo
Elalazayo chomi.
so kuba ndizifota nge-iPhone yam endazithandazayo. Yes.
What's this?
Ndayithandazela ndazithengela so yeah akho lace nje niyibona phi nini and bayibona phi chomi
Iphi chomi?
ayikho iphi ikai. So guys, we're writing tomorrow endakuthengela baxelele wandithengela
Yadlala
baxelele sayithela ngoyele frontal abayasi
chomi khaso senqondo imqalele.
yiyo ayisuka
Hayi khaso senqondo.
nasifunde lapha 1:30.
Hayi ndifuna ukutya.
Kaloku sizoya njani kusekho ama-comrade kitchen.
Yo hayi sana. Ngathi ngibe phola ke.
Ithini? Ine-show off ivasithini why nisabhala and banari show off why I suppose
because abafuni sidle December kakuhle.
iya kufanele danki kamo.
Writing what?
I'm writing management civil in brackets too.
You now. You must keep quiet.
The tool is some of my stuff ke.
Hayi sana pelepele.
Ipelepele chisabe.
Chomi, when last did you read the Bible?
Chuma ngifunda iBhayibhile. Ngixele inyani. Andiyazi iBhayibhile before.
Uthi lo?
What
Andiyazi iAfrikaans ke manje.
Chomi. Varsity chomi not college.
Hayi sana.
Varsity.
Guys, it's not Jesus erulini yethu jongani. Don't mind. Ukhona. Right. Yibo. Nesiyakhonza guys, sisindisiwe kahle.
What? What wigs are you wearing? Njani ba? What wigs are we wearing?
Ngibe ifrontal chomi.
Aw. Ngiswele amazi okubonga kodwa ukuthi inkomo ngisenayo. Aw.
Guys, do you have any wishes? I'm your father Christmas. Like, Titan fast, nibhale list. Titan fast, people. You are son.
We've not wigs.
I same thing.
It's not.
Sentloko wethu.
Oh, wow.
Ngiyadlala.
Wig yakho.
Okay, abana wishes chomde kuba ngifather Christmas. Must be elf.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Njani le minqoza?
Ngiyakhathalasa. Na. Omwe ngotatsalasa.
Tatalazo now.
Lingazosidakelwa.
Iweske uka asinqini nonqilo uthetha ngantoni?
Inkinga ukuthi wena avela.
Let ha ngantoni?
Uyasukela la ngene live wethu.
Hayi chomi somphoqa.
Uzothi thina siyakho. Angimphoqi. Nguyo wrong akazi.
Hi man.
Ow.
Can we just make it a Christmas? Hi. Chomibulisa abantu.
Hey Asiphe. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about Hello DJ Kumza.
Sanixelela uTyler Sisi online guys. Please. From feature chakla. Chanel Tonton.
Hello Melokush.
Oh, it's only a bit of past. Wait, there's a color that
Rafa. No, I let us see your balance. You guys are like the cutest thing on earth. Dang. Hello, Ice Keys. You guys, really cute guys. Siyabonga Melokush. Guys, we can't accept Ilanti because sizocima soon because break lena because like sikwe breaking ngoku, so like as sifunda we can't accept.
Invite what? Can we just make it a Christmas? Can we just make it a Christmas? Oh, but
I can't smile even now. Mhlama yaqaqamba. Delete Sabatseng. Baby, you need to fix that wig though.
No,
let's take umuntu ozobona iwig aphume. Lesithilo besithethe lapha safika.
Izolifixa ngokwakho
Andimthandi. UbunguBob.
Iphi le seyibonayo apha wena? Iphi le
Ngithe
seyibonayo?
uzobona ilace, akayibona thule. If uzobona
You-
ilace
Kathi
thula.
ngophola ke sani? Kathi ngophola.
Idla impolo. Idla impolo. Enkosi kanyisa. Bovela uphole. Obona ilace.
Hayibo.
Athatha zoyinxiba. Hey Dev. Like guys, sichilo zisabekwa apha ba.
Kanye ufuna ibona kahle?
No serious.
Ayifuni glue lele, sifuna uphuma kusasa. Ayifuni glue. No need for glue.
Imachomi iyameltiswa ilace ngeglue.
Uthini?
Uthi ilace idinga iglue. Iyameltiswa ilace ngeglue.
Thank you. Kupholelwana because of law sithe don't come for my lace. Now you are coming for my lace. Forndon son. Forndon.
Kavela uphole ke.
Forndon. You must calm down ke son. You must calm down. Because ngizabe sike nginciba iband ke mina uyibone bedwa le lace uyibonayo.
Because siceli lapha kusaqe. Engekho kwemaka ngayo. Because sichilo apha sichilo sithe suyibona suyihoya.
Ukuthi lo.
Suyihoya leli siyalento siyenza siyazi lento siphezulu kwayo. So
Kaphole. You must relax.
siyalento sikuyo. Bavela uphole chum.
Uthi lo ngo. Laugh out loud chum.
Chum AK yabesitsho. Basinilace.
Kuyi?
AK.
Uphi ngokuthulile ngoku. I will come for you guys. If you come for my lace.
Sithe if uyibona inxibe. So uthula igqoka kwakho. So wena
Hi.
hello user. So ke guys ngiyanicela siyaphinda futhi ilace engekho kuwe. Yiyeke okanye uvele uthathe uyinxibe chum.
Mind your business.
Mike thukuthezela ithathe uyinxibe.
I suppose.
Please. Asi
What is it tumtum?
anisetumtum kamnandi yo nditumtum umeni. Konke nje.
Tumtum chum.
Nandi stress ukhona logqibo joina apha. And ndiyamazi asibone o Super Magondovius yo yini le?
Hayi ke ngoko.
Mina ngimazi Super Magondovius. Ukhona logqibo joina apha and ujoine ngemistake.
Natural beauty. Iyiqonda.
Akho ne-filter chum. Ngiziyeke
Yes.
lace. Yeah, but ifilter ayikho. Hey Ayana, ngithumbe seliphela ixesha lebreak. Uotho.
Yo I done. Forndon son. So invite Chom.
Who's invite and invite him to mna?
Ferdon.
Ufuna suggestions.
Kawulale ke sis. Bawo join. Ferdon. Chomtwele Rose. Oh, you are so cute, my sweet pie.
Chomsope. So lama Rose.
Yabona wena kulo London okuyo nje. You must keep sending the roses. Eva ke uko.
I'm
so tired.
Chomfuna sifundile wathayada sikaqala itiro.
Kuba nophila
andimazi. Nisaseries yo shom thina yo siyafunda ngoDecember shum. Ungolelani ndithe ungolo.
Kaponi ke sisi.
Guys,
guys,
sifuna uyotya ne but we kama cornbread rice kitchen base kitchen so ikabona so kuyocada kitchen.
Papa yini guys bethi lo half past.
So kuyocada kitchen because ama cornbread as kitchen so cada njalo.
Serious Chom. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Uyasazi pawpaw.
Usaze lapha.
Uthi banenzani kwa engineering.
Wochazile ba management don't.
Abengeke upawpaw ugqibongena ngoku.
Akudele khona lo muntu. Okay. Basibambe ngewash.
Otho. Bese
Osh.
Wena oshololo. Ngithanda na ubhuti wakho wangidlala.
Osh. Keep the roses coming. Keep the roses coming. Yabona ke usolala bawe fun.
Wasenda
ucho majwapa from last year.
Yabo wazwa wena. Kwazwa wena. Yabo ubani sithi gym.
Hayi andazi into ngupawpaw yami. Bani kama lako la manyana.
Pawpaw. Hey guys, can you say my name? Azo. Show me twice. Azo. Twaida.
Wait. Kin. Ndio wangu papa kwenda.
Ulumhlobo basundwebileyo. Ngiyamazi. Waphumla amakomrade kitchen. Kanti wava basilambile basamsi siyoba.
Ndi follower nami ngizofollow back.
Okay, chum.
With pleasure. Yenzani la nto ye-AI thing. Kephi ke ukule?
Chumipile.
Ndiyazi. Asiyazi Oshi. For the roses. Anibahle thank you Twaida. Sizogoduka noba sigoduke nge-16 kaDisemba.
Sanibona mamazi.
Thank you. Iphi Chom? Lento ye-roses lento.
Ndiyazi Chom yenziwa.
Sicofephi? Sicofephi Osh?
Lace bese incebe.
Umuntu ongena kule live obona i-lace makayincibe because don't come for our laces please.
Sithengele ndi foundation then bona lace ziyahlupha.
Don't come for the lace.
Khani sithele ndi foundation.
Sikhaze sisangena up.
Estolep.
Where do I see you Amila? When do I see you? Ukubona nina mntana. Isistory sazihlipiza. Asina i250 yo installer by salon. Thank you.
Hello people. Chumupila do ithi danke.
Otho, sithe bana ucofa phi for i-rose. You are coming for the lace whether sibuzi rose.
Ezikhani ihlukane nelezi.
Cofa phi Chom?
Yazi.
Yiphi? Wish kasijonga.
Ifaka. Soyibona.
Ndivule ne?
Soyicima. Soyibona bayenzani. Soyicima. Dive me.
For ntoni sana?
Sanibonani molweni.
Hi.
Live me contain. Agent.
Hayi ndayisusa.
Hayi Chomi Linda. What if yiyo?
Nazi live gift. Nansi Chomi Rose.
Sithini?
Ithini kanti? At least one more.
The one. Ngicela sendele rose eyi-1. One rose qha.
Masicimele AI ntontoni. Aniyithandi imali. Cela siphi rose. Cela siphi rose.
Ngeke rose eyi-1.
Cela siphi rose. Shin.
I think nelaces zethu azobonakala.
Hayi sizathenga ilace
So thinking lace tint.
ne melt.
Ne. The foundation. Then guys asina iron. Yabo sothana ne-iron. Clock it babes. Ansibahle. Oh, alifaka 2.
Guys, don't record, please. Chomas Paul hlambisa.
Okay, izo zishumi.
Oh, yabona nina shem.
Oh, umba sofake 2.
Auto 9.
Auto 9. Thank you.
Thengela icake wena Osh. Ba usekhona kule live bof.
Hello lethu. Uthini? uDecember nifika nini?
Nifaka inwele.
Nifuna ukuba bahle
end of the year.
Yebo. Main aim.
Ayisebenzisa
Wasenda umbasa.
ethe.
Yes wena mbasa.
Fithi Chomi. Korean tonton. Ithi kana lento besithi. No, ndifuna la gama esithi
Congratulations versus Yepu. Lift up the finger. Ooh.
Ithini akanene? Guys, oyaziyo a Korean word xa uthi I love you cela libhale phansi ngoku because ndiyalazi qha ndilibele.
Chuma baye abantwana bayazi Korean.
Hayi wey bengabukeli K-pop drama.
True. Because abengu.
Chuma masenze lunto lo one lo.
I love you. Pen love. People are sending, guys. Keep it up. Autumn lo. Amehla bayaluma.
Ndimoyenze i-live yakho thumela i-rose.
Guys,
Babe ndingekho. Aba no
lazy Look at this screen. Yes. We twins.
Very much twins. Hey Chomi sana, you need lashes. Sifuna uthenga lashes, guys. Sifake nalo sisi nails.
Chumi zozikhipha mina.
Kuphele ntoni?
Chumi ziyandika.
You.
You can be friends. Uthini Chomi, you can be friends.
Sizif. Eki mnandazi shem.
We twins.
Hey guys, nabona you guys are eating up our study ntontoni.
Chomi sesilinde nama comrade aphume kitchen.
Makahambe pha because mna ndilambile. Yo, sana khatalwa apha.
Okay guys. Story time.
Hayi khamba nge-story time sifuna i-rose.
Ziyeza kaloku azokhe senda i-rose. Story time.
Yes.
Yeah, we twins.
Hi,
My name is
Chomi.
Chomi. Hello, Sianda. So guys, story time. So guys, into yenzeka ne. So mna, I'm a person who dated closer gens like Ijan. So decided to give Ihlubi a chance. So okay, fine. Gave Ihlubi a chance. I was from a rugby player. I was dating a rugby player. Naphuma ke rugby player because 1 year. Fine, akubinani so boom. That's Ihlubi. So guys, it was a long distance relationship. Bese Mount Fletcher ndilapha yabo. So inqaleka inyanga from May, June, July, August, September. Caba ngoSeptember ubhuti. So what happened is ngoSeptember kwakho ibhesha apha esikolweni yabo. Then ke ngoku uphi wena dana ngisesikolweni nje.
Ngoku lo siyo lozana ukhala ngodana.
So guys, ngoSeptember ngikube khubesha yokugqibela. bengo-September. So guys, ndinengule emhlophe. So I fucked up, ndasela i-short ebomvu. Then like into zakhona zaqala. Okay, ninye ke ngole. So ifuna mibanjwe yi-friend yami engumfana, because like I have many male friends. So ibanjwe yi-friend yami engumfana. Ayiba ke so wacaphukisa lo. So after that uGuy Eastern Cape Jom. So caba uGuy angangithembi.
Thank you. Pretty little baby.
Akwabinani guys dithi. Yangu September ne October November. So after I was done with the exam, I was supposed by Diamond Aku pa Mount Fletcher. So did guys ifike iveki yobafuneka ndiyile. Umfana wazulisa. Zulisa. Okay, fine. Umayazi into like say ansafuna noyeke ngoku like sesendikhathele yabo. Because kaloku andizoba ngathi ndi-desperate kuba ndibona. Fine. Akwabinani.
Oh, guys, my sister is watching the live and unpostile. Usipostile, in fact.
So guys, ndithi kuni ndalantika ndaphola ndayimpola. Hello Mr. Nice Guy. So ndithi kuni ndalantika what's this? Naphola. I was like, okay guys, mandimlinde shem yaba mhlambi like akekho financially stable, because like isengumntana esikole yabo khawukho practicals. So ndimlinde guys, like ndamlinda guys. So this day means until it was a Thursday. I think it was a Thursday.
You gonna say to the down road. You gonna run.
So guys, ndithi kuni uGuy cabake guys yajola. Phela kanjalo into yami no-rappelling. Now,
Guys, I need fries. Boneless fries is posted.
oh, thank you for the rose.
Which one is the bear?
Banusi.
Guys, we don't have. Come on, because Ninga been in the fucking rose. Dada, support my lady.
Oh, chomi zethu. Guys, you are twins. Yes.
Yes, very much yes. Masebasondele kwi-screen.
I'm nanin DVD. Guys, learning pain. Thank you. Next time ndicela nam nindi-install mantombazana before la masango Umsangana wencoko zomjolo. Okay, June.
No guys, let me tell you how to install ne. Uthatha iglue.
Install amakhiphi.
Couple guesses. Uthatha asijoli. Uthatha iglue, yabo? Uthatha uglema. Okanye uthathe sepil njani wena. Uthathe i-ghost bond. I-ghost bond. Inoma uyibeka apha kaso, yabo? And then go kuyiphepezele. Nge-hair dry. Ba unayo i-hair dry ephepezele ngephepha.
Phepha June, kumala hair dry apha.
Amile ukuthi you crush. Kuyiphepezele ngephepha. Usogqiba ka kuyiphepezela ngephepha. Uphinde glue. Yabo. Yo ayisana nolukho. Fonto zaka. Yo hayi apha. Cela ufake i-rose lukhona. Cela ufake i-rose. Yo ngabukeli.
Chomi baphuma abantu bakona apha ndihleba ubhoti wakho.
Kaphole ke sisi. Sigqibela umhleba lo. Sogqiba ke ngoku. Xa ugqiba ufake enye le glue. The way that you tell me.
Hello, Mr. Nice Guy.
Glue guys. Uphephe again ngephepha and then ke uncamathelisa iglue yakho yabo. Iweave uyithenge cash. Ne.
Izinto zakwaba.
EzaKwaZulu malandela. Dadlala shem.
Mina.
Dadlala. Just kidding you.
Mina uthiyani.
Ayibizwa njalo sisi ya.
Kubani?
Ayikhabize kahle. Hayi izondlaza. Phambi kwabantu abangaka.
Ngizazi. Ngiyadlala mina guys, mina nginasibongo. Mr. Nice guy. Acho masifunde ngoku. Guys,
Ngindambile ka.
show me sizo masambe ke.
Esasixhosini.
Ezo sesixhoseni ezi ziyasebenza
Iboso.
iboso. Yeah. How come you don't have a say name? No. Mina.
Dadlala guys.
Tatamli Pakistan. Uyahleka kodwa nowakhe.
Isenemi.
Utatam
Maharaja.
utatethu Maharaj.
Maharaja.
Umama wethu wahamba uyothengisa ubheke. Wabuya nathi.
Guys, uyaxoka lo. Umama wayefumene i-scholarship e-India. So ke ePakistan in fact.
Uthethelela umama.
So ke ngoku xa ifike ePakistan, afike kuthabana, no, we don't like black people, wara, don't. You need to get to citizenship, don't yabo. So ke ngoku yena in order of uba afumane i-citizenship. Ayeba siyi-foreigner guys. Sizi. So ke ngoku ndisatsho uba in order afumane i-citizenship yase-Pakistan so that afunde kakuhle. Ngela xesha lami lakudala mos yayiqaphela apartheid. So ke ngoku wathini wahamba wayesiphaza andiyazi ke isiphaza wayibiza ngantoni phaa azange alichaza igama lakhe igama lesiphaza xa ifika phaa wayeyothenga la eyazi le esasipayises esibhale i-Haj Matal
Neladus.
wayeyothenga hayi iladus iselontukeni kaloku sise-India sithetha iPakistan ngoku wayeyothenga esasipayises esibhalwe Taj Mahal esibabayo. Because sihlamba nge-turmeric yase-Taj Mahal. So ke ngoku chon asazi phofu. So ke ngoku wayifumana mos yilo nto kamane iphindelele yeshop mane iphinde kanti ubonile usisters pha eshop. Ubonile uba sale citizenship yami iyaphuma pha kulo mntu ngapha ke-counter. Saqonda okay fine. Hayi ke
Singabanga
story
phakathi
time.
kwengo.
After 6 months.
Pau. Umbonge
Kaloku
ngenkomo.
waphinde wabuya yabo after efundile waphinde wabuya ke wazodropa thina apha eSouth Africa wasikhulisa nomakhulu. Imagine asimazi umakhulu wasePakistan simazele eFortwayne. Yayiqonda ke ngoku. So that's why sithethi ilontuka. But ke ngoku assalamu alaikum. You must takufundisa mnazana.
You pick too much.
Don't worry guys. You know, if you are bored, funeka kumane uzocheck uba if ever live le account, if ever you are bored.
Utata wenu ubani sithe uMaharaj nje.
Ke ufuna sibize la magama wanke 3
uthini Constavious ugoduka nini
kubanga kulo
kuhlela
hayi sigoduki akagoduki nolo constant onto
akayinda wo we I know where sizinzuzi
uMaharaj
is our
which
father
is utata usese Pakistan guys.
Oh sorry show
I guess sorry besingayazi.
Wait,
Use Pakistan and Tina we were planning bana this December siyolungisa passport so that sizohamba sePakistan. Sifuna uyajayivisa kwezithi. You look familiar because we are family.
Dalo. So ke ngoku guys. Can sicebise sithini? Sidli Christmas up. Sidli Christmas up. Okanye sihambe siya Pakistan. Yabo. Because sabe siyaqala ba siya Pakistan. Ngawari sonfotela guys. We're gonna photo and then we're gonna post. Right now, we are deep in the bundles, yabo. Slarin. So, yeah. So say tika.
Sithazi besikhangela.
Sesizlaleni kodwa.
Thomba baxolela ubunginayani kamela khona ngapha.
Hayi jongo unayani kulebele kodwa. Ngigama lami nguPragia guys.
Now guys, my name is Amila, which means princess from like that side. Like even like apho maXhosa bayayisebenzisa.
Ufuna usivakatshela lo Chomi amchazela uba sisezilalini kodwa ufuna ubuza igama lendawo.
Chomi send mali thina soza ku.
If ufuna usibona shami ngicela usithumelele imali sizoza eLontukeni. The nearest place we can come is Durban. A Cape Town. I can see you. P.
Chomba phumile kitchen masamsiyophenza. Guys, bye.
Guys, I
think
siyahamba ngoku siya ku siyothetha no video call uMaharaj. Which side in Durban? Westville. Makelani. Kanye kwaMashu, nakwaMashu. Ebona phanga kulandile kaNkunzi. Phanga kulandile kaNkunzi.
Uyaphosa guys. Ngicela liniyani. Lanawe lekuthiwa abantu bamethethe besithi bathi kuselenke. Sisuka pha kozala.
Ebona phanga kaNkunzi. Utsibe strato esisizazi, utsibe strato esi1. Utsibe strato esi2. SS3 kuthiwa yintoni kanene?
Hello, Lonwabo Nyangana.
Hello and bye.
What section?
SS section, Chom. SS section, Chom.
Ebephu iya ngokubuhlele wathi.
Beyo kaka, Chom.
Bendiphi?
Kaphole ke sizo.
Bendiphi?
Akona amanzi apha eblocking yakho sana. Yo. Siflashele sihamba siyokhala etankini. Soxoxa. Sihamba siyokhala etankini.
Mayofunda itransport.
Sihamba siyokhala etankini.
Spread Africans.
Hayi ke ukuthi Indian mos. Kezela
Pakistan uyihlwela iPakistan tela kuthengisa evenkileni.
I see in your eyes you are lying. About ntoni ngoku? About ntoni?
Guys, just to own a shop. Umzekelo if usiye kwa my friend thina asithengi siyathatha.
And futhi siyazi intoni into emnandi because of zonke izishop ezilapha eSouth Africa. Une connection seza hakhe zonke. Just that uqashisile. Ngoku umuntu osuka le ePakistan uqala apha kuyi. So wena ufuna
if ufuna ispelling jet icho ndiyokuthathela. Kanti ufuna ifiber icho ndiyokuthathela. You don't live kwaMashu. Okay.
Hayibo sihlala khona ndiyakuchazela mazo. Ujonga uzone raptor pha kwaMashu. Uzambona. Dithe if ever usibona
niyaphila lapho eQumbu.
Hayi sana intoni iQumbu ngoku
Thumilali.
Ndiyazi kabole. Yasihlala iQumbu guys. Dithi wena if ever
ba didzana no Makisa.
Kodwa nihlele kuthenga. Kaphole kabuthi. Kapalo. Kaphole. Maybe out of stock.
Maybe out of stock. Shop esiniye kuyo. So utata wathi bana uzosizamela ilantika iglu. Okay, nebazi utata babalekayo because yena waphuma short left. Guys, December ndisaya ucenga my friend.
No, ngicenge
chu. Ucenga chomi. Ngixelele ba uthunywe 6.
Wasibani? Wazi uPragia. Nobani? No Amila. Ngiyayiqonda ke ngoku.
Then you go.
Uzayiqonda ba is Julie. Uthina lo?
Yes. Julie Dwelling. Say right. I think utsho ngiyadlala. Angimazi.
Yo hayitsana ndikuva ngashaya.
Asi Chomi Africans yo asa namaXhosa
because sithethe inyani. Yiqonda. andisamthanda usisiwa kwamashu ethetha into efika guys kodwa sinyanisile
kodwa ke shem enkosi uJovemba kodwa ke shem until like nyani because of ndithi mna if ever undifumani kamashu ndihlala eWestfield ke okwesa strato ses4 pha xa usuka ngase left eqonda because ikhona le ndlela ungenayo yayibona mos
leyo ingenayo eqonda mos unyuke pha
unyuke uze ubona ujike left 1 2 3 4
pha ekoneni
pha uzabona umzi nje omhle othe one-touch kaMaharaj
nizoba kunuka nje ipelepele uvele ubona ukuthi
ne-touch kaMaharaj sizozenza uzobona
1 2 3 4 uyayazi yena yabona umuntu angadla umuntu
wena wesivili lo ndamanga uyayazi ekhaya
umuntu sasikhula naye unaledwa mkhubula sasikhula naye
uyayazi
uyayazi ekhaya unaledi anikho ebhayi no show us your nails
asikho ebhayi guys
Mina
simple white guys izandla zami sana
hello Adi I miss you
uphicho
uJenny
oh hayi guys sihamba ngo11 sokutya sana
sizofunda juma sikafunda theory
hayi sayipawu azana bahle baflasi
ndandihlala ku5 yabona unaleti yo wena nguloso sikhula udala ndiyitsho chomi unaleti nguloso sikhula naye
ndiyakukhumbula wena ndiyakukhumbula salutation ladies hi
Mr. Random
nibukeka nibahle nindawonye
yo uthi uyasicenga uthi uyasicela swabini
uthi I miss you iya
oh Ali ngumzulu can you say
ndiyayiqonda sana ayiqondi wena
hayibo
uba uyiqondi ke sana uhambe uye phaa kwesasalo ndisichazayo ufike ubale xa uhambayo wenzela uba ungazulahleka ufike ubale sinyanisile down dithi wena ufike ubale from a left uyabala 1 2 3 ungalahleki no need udubuza nasebantwini ba kuphi street number 4
uzibalele chum
uzabona nje umzi oyi-1 nje o-unique phakathi kweminye imizi ne-touch kaMaharaj
unuka ispice useza chum
esesipepule raja
unuka ispice useza
yo hayi why nijoyina guys sihamba
because we have to go and eat you fun
there is a comedian don't
guys I think
kachonge rose zethu zingaphi 31 hayi sanalaza sana hayi sana besibuye nomnqwazi ke sana okunqwazi saphiwa nale si4/4 chomi ufuna imali yakho kuthetho besithe sizicofwa excuse me
guys we have to study
ngaba kuqumbu
how
yo hayi sana asiyazi nequmbu bayitshona kweli bicala siyakuchazela ba sihlala iqumbu
guys we have to go study
time out guys so umuntu olahlekileyo ke ekamashu sobona ngaye ungalahlekazi ubona ngaye seke and only available next week Saturday ke weekend so ke if ever like ufuna uvisit if ever like ufuna uvisit uze nge-weekend because phakathi evekini sibusy yabo ke uko so ciao guys assalamu alaikum
can you kiss each other awahlanya
au Fernando Thank you very much.
Thank you very good. Shintoni ngoku sana. Please hayi Mr Nice Guy.
Hayi ke ngoku.
Wandilahla Amish. Yo wena wadelete number yami suthi wandilahla wena.
Bangoku.
Linomtha.
Hayi guys ngoku nifuna kude kube minute after 11.
Bye because you have to study. Ngomso siyabhala ngo9. Asityanga. Chuma masam siyofunda.
I'm just being nice. Not we're just being nice.
Masam siyotya then sibuye sifunde.
Bye bye people.
Bye people. See you.
Bye bye people. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 go. Bala foot 1 2 3 4.
Yo.
Cela uphinde ubala kokugqibela sizohamba 1 2 3 4. What if sengihambile Jomo? Hayi ke sahamba ke thina. Papa yini guys? Uphuna late. Una late uzanukhombisa guys xa lifika pha eWestville. Hi guys. 1 2 3 why sala 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3
4 uzolahleka.
Isisa sekhaya ngu4.
Ekoneni. Yabo la mzukuthusa ekoneni.
Siyaphila khona kunjani? Yo hayi ungazibulali lamatyala. Please.
We have to study. Yeah, ke Monica yentombi. Hayi ke.
Sikwenze ntoni?
Ihapa.
Late sihamba ke ngoku.
Siyotya ngoku. Then sizoqhubekeka nencwadi because we're studying.
Abdullah.
Guys, like siyafunda guys siyabhala.
Guys nimbonile Abdullah.
Abambonanga.
Ngicela ngapha guys.
Bewutamngotshana.
Hayi ke go. Hayi ke ngoku. For dancer. Nimbonile guys go to Abdullah.
Guys,
that is my uncle guys. Oh hayi sana apha. Uzosupporta.
Anibonda ngaka kusasinixelela basinguba lapha niva. Into ligunquza
hayibo. Umqomo khona uhololo Junior.
Usho amantombazana amahle.
Thank you very much. Hayi kodwa
guys papa yini. Funeka sifundile.
Hey guys ngicela iphathe uAbdullah kahle.
Ela usisi undifollow wenami ngizofollow back. Okay, shum.
Kosi baba lo.
Hi
and bye.
Bye people. We love you.
Opposite story time nimchazele guys ba ke weekend. Because of
you.
Hayi ngefota.
Foda.
Hayi suvela. Wena kulona. Bye. Cima.
Bani voluphotayo?
Cima.
Elani niphoze ngifuna ungishuta hayi bra. Ushutelani?
Yes, very much married.
Bye.
Hayi masamtshova damaza kodwa. Hayi sana ezibane.